Right, so this light that's not working, we've just undone screws. We have to remove that ring first to get at the screws, and we'll find out why it's not working. Oh, and I think that probably tells us why it's not working. The wires aren't even connected. Right, so we'll obviously it's not been connected before. So we have the black in there, red into there. Hey presto, we have a light. Let there be light. That was an easy fix, wasn't it? I think there has to be something said for quality control. All we've got to do now is screw it back in.
You've done it?
I have, and wouldn't have done it without my little screwdriver kit. What? The little screwdrivers.
How's that going to fit in there?
See. Only little bits. Lot to be said for small.
Right.
Hey, look, that little, see that little Phillips there, that tiny thing there, that's what I needed to make that light. Without that I couldn't have done it, because that thing wouldn't have gone in. Even that one wouldn't have fitted. Well, that was a flathead, that's why. That one wouldn't have fitted.
Soft close, Kev.
Soft close.
Ready? No.
Daddy. It'll stop playing.
I'm checking. See how these? Look at these, Kev. Look. See that?
Yeah.
Ah. Now, to the untrained eye, people would think that's a hindrance.
Yeah, but it's
So what I did while you were doing that, I redesigned it so you could push it like that.
It's on a pulley system.
I did them both. Because you took that long to do the lights.
No, you didn't.
I did.
You didn't. Because we did a video on this the other day.
Yeah, but people want to watch that.
Yeah. No, they won't, because it's not out yet. Right, I'm going to put my little screwdriver kit away before anybody pinches it.
Hey?
I'm going to put my screwdriver kit away. I'm going to hide it.
It's a cheap screwdriver.
Hmm?
Oh, got him. That's that. That's that. Oh, that. That's that one. That's that one. That's that one. That's with that. We've done that side, Any more drawers?
It's covered, Jason.
Oh, same thing. What's this, Kev? What's this? Right. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
I closed my eyes.
Look at them.
There's TV bracket.
Look at that, eh? Okay.
You've said it, you found that, haven't you?
Yeah.
I showed you that the other day.
Well, yeah, there.
Clever, that, ain't it?
Indeed. That is good. So, that's why the board's there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Basically. Have I got any more cupboards or anything? Right, so we've done cupboards, we've done drawers, we've done hinges. Table.
Table.
Table works.
Right, the type of table you have is pull that section out there, swing that over there, gives you your full size table. Your table rotates, will slide backwards and forwards, and also push down to form part of the bed.
How's it stop down though?
How does it stop down?
Yeah.
Operate the lever there, Jason, please. See the lever?
Yeah.
That's for little people. That's for when the fairies come to tea. And then lock it in place, stop it dropping down. Otherwise, you'll be eating and your dinner will be giving it that.
Right. Will that lock at different angles? Push it down. It's about there. Let go.
Yeah.
It will, won't it? Yeah. Why do you keep leaning on it?
To stop it springing up when you release it.
And
It's for vertically challenged people.
what's the sliding one?
The slidey one's this one here. Andrea. That one. That stops it sliding.
Right.
So release that one there.
Yeah.
It'll then slide.
Okay.
And it rotates.
Oh, it rotates as well. Yeah. Does it?
Does it make toast? No, you use a drill for that.
Oh, it locks it in place, that does as well. Any more tables?
No. I did my tables at school. My times tables.
Okay. So that's fixed into place, isn't it, that one? Fixed table.
Permanently fixed table.
No catches with it, is it?
No.
So it drops,
Swivels
swivels.
and slides. DSS. Drop, swivels and slides.
Drops, swivels and slides. Okie dokie. You've got to make the bed up now, haven't you?
We done skylight.
And all skylights.
Yeah.
Done them with 3.
Yeah.
So, oh, water heater plug, we know that's working, don't we?
Yeah.
So that's behind passenger.
Yeah.
Passenger. Hatch and floor.
Yeah.
Hatch and floor. So we've got a blue knob. Top you got on, Kev?
Hmm?
So it's a blue knob.
Mm.
And a blue button.
Yeah. Turn the knob, press the button.
Power hook up flap. Have you checked that?
Yes, got one.
Have you checked it locks properly?
It's upside there.
Well, I'll check it then, show people what we do. Oh, we've done the outlet pipe, haven't we? In garage.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we want power hook up flap.
Power hook up flat.
Yeah, you can take the hook up out if you want, because we're not using any electric.
Must be doing the St. Paul's. Power hook up flat. And it locks in place, yeah? And there's no cracks in it. The hinge is okay. You don't want this meter in anymore, do you?
No, we're done with it, aren't we?
Done with it, yeah.
Yeah, we know it's all working, we've just got to run it, haven't we, really?
Yeah, I'll put the hook up back in. So we now want to hook up. This can come out, but the meter can go away.
That's done.
There's heating hot.
Oi! I'm checking all this off. You've just been for your dinner and then you just walk back in again.
Excuse me, I'm checking the hot water.
No, I'm checking that water.
Alright, well put your finger under it then. Is that hot?
That's hot.
How hot?
40.
40.
Hot water, we're happy with that, aren't we?
Yeah.
Let's turn the hot water off. See how it's not flashing anymore?
Yep.
That's the spots. Why is that happening?
It raises up to temperature.
Yeah, turn that off. Right, check all the vents where the heating's coming through.
Coming through there.
Through there.
Coming through there. My two are alright.
Hey?
I said my two are alright.
No, it's done.
It's only this one. This one.
What about this one?
I've done that. And this one.
Is that one working?
Yeah.
Well, I won't because it's closed.
It was when I stuck my finger in and opened it.
Right, so the flowing air on the gas. That's that done. Let's turn that off. Fresh water. Let's run some water. Just run me some water through, Kevin. Let me just make sure the wastes.
It was coming out before.
Right, so run some of that hot water through.
Hot.
Or cold, let's make a difference. You do the tank, can't we? See, we've got 25% in reserve now. And we've got 25 in fresh. So how much water did we start with?
30. We didn't go up to 50, did we?
No, we went up to 50%, you Wally. If there's 25% to the fresh water tank and 25% to the hot water in the wastewater tank, how much did we start with?
50.
There. Yeah. Where'd you get 30 from?
There might have already been some in there. Oh, it was sick.
No, there wasn't, because it was empty.
How did you know it was empty?
Because I closed it.
Only because you found the tool.
There's only one tool around here, Kev. What are you messing with now?
I'm watching the water go down the plug hole, see if it drains quick enough.
Yesterday you were watching paint dry, now you're watching water go down the plug hole.
Listen, when the winter's gone, I'll be watching grass grow.
That could do the clean off there, Kev.
Right.
Come here and have a look.
What needs a clean?
That's just not hitting right, is it?
It's lit
There's
on
a
it.
thermocouple. Look how all the fairy stuff's on it.
That's a bit of a rub with steel wool.
Shall I put this back on then, dude?
Yeah. Do it while it's hot, then you know where it is. You beat the flames out with it.
What do you want, what? What do you want, what?
This thing going, this white thing.
The Motorhome.
No, you don't. Silver, what was it? It's a silver line or something.
The V-line.
V-line, that's it.
You want to get in there.
Oh, fuck, getting in there now, am I?
Well, Ken will help you. Ken will move one out. You
Right.
put one in.
I've only just put them vans in there.
Yeah, so
See? Doing everything twice, Paul.
What time wasted, Kev?
Bad
Yeah,
planning, isn't it?
Kev, move that out. And just put it in here. It's the V-line, isn't it?
Is it sold?
Checking for any leaks or any cracks. Oh, I've just broke that now.